Hey guys, this is Michael K. Storm, aka Your Personal Broker and Sold by Storm. Thank you guys for joining us today. We're at another great Piedmont Triad builder, and we are at, of course, the largest American builder, D.R. Horton. And she's not camera ready today, but she is here on the side. Say hello, Brandy.
Hi, everyone.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead into this one, and this model here is available in Gibsonville. So Brandy, tell me where we are and what we're getting ready to see.
So we are in Edinborough North. This is our DRHE series community. We are about to step into the Columbia plan. It is 3,108 square feet. And we have 4 bedrooms and a loft in this plan, 3.5 bathrooms. What you're looking at now is a wonderful large office for those that work from home.
I love that.
Mm-hmm.
Just a little linen, a little closet.
This is just a storage closet.
No, linen's going to be upstairs, Michael, not down in the way. Okay.
Yes, this floor plan is wonderful for entertaining large groups of people, large families. We have the gas fireplace in the corner, as you see, breakfast and open entertainment, kitchen, family dining.
Perfect. Now, this is Edinborough North?
Yes.
Okay. And Edinborough North is just a few miles away from downtown Gibsonville.
Yes.
What is the address? How can they find you, Brandy?
So we are located at 617 Struy Street, Struy Street, right off of Highway 61, just a few minutes from downtown Gibsonville.
Great. And here's your little powder closet, little half bath. All right.
And you have a built-in desk right here as well.
Yeah.
For doing homework or office work.
Mm-hmm. And what I like about these built-in desks near the kitchen is, hey, I'm working hard and I need a snack. You can just turn right around and boom, there's the refrigerator and the cabinets. Everything's right here for you. Okay. So tell us about some of the features of the kitchen.
So the DRHE series does come with
we all have one, don't worry about that.
And all these have our signage in it.
Yep, and they all have soft closed doors. Are the cabinets soft closed as well?
Cabinets are soft closed. You'll see the backsplash in the kitchen. Most of our DRHE floor plans come with the gas stove, and then we have dishwasher disposal and the large undermount kitchen sink. All of our appliances are Whirlpool stainless steel.
That's great. And a lot of people don't really understand the benefit of slamming cabinets, but if you have children, especially, or a loud husband like I am to Sweet Potato, that's my wife, Sweet Potato, then, you know, in the middle of the night, they want to come down and get a snack, they slam the door, wakes up everybody. So just keeps a little more peace. Tell us about these floors.
So these are the Redwood luxury vinyl plank flooring. They come in all of our DRHE series homes, the common spaces, as we like to call them. And we have 3 different color schemes you'll see in our homes. We usually divide them up by white cabinets or gray cabinets, and then white backsplash or gray backsplash. And
new homes don't always come with a refrigerator, but is
Correct.
This the one that, if it did, is this the one they would usually get?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And right now we are doing a series for your buyers that comes with a free move-in package for any home that we can sell by February 28th. The free move-in package includes washer, dryer, fridge, and blinds.
And does it come with a case of Dr. Pepper?
Sure.
If you have me as your buyer's agent, then yes, you will get a case of Dr. Pepper. This is your pantry. Guys, this is a huge pantry. It's walk-in. I'm trying to, make sure I don't get Brandy on camera. She really wasn't, expecting to be, on camera today. So it's Monday, everybody. Don't you love this? It's just so open. You can be over here in the kitchen, have a party here, a party there, and a party over there. Mm-hmm. You could just have, this is a great entertainment space. And then, of course, they do have a patio. Yes. Is that standard with all of the homes here?
Yes, sir. So we do also have larger home sites in this neighborhood. This community has 0.24 and up. So average is a 1/4 acre.
Okay. Well, take it from me, guys. More acreage just means that you have more to take care of. I like my smaller site of my house because I don't like to mow. Let me take my shoes off. I don't want to get it on this carpet. Okay.
With your house socks.
Yes, I've got my realtor socks on today. Yes, I do. And I noticed that my heel is coming out in one of them because I've worn them so much, Brandy. So it is what it is.
And
you know, I made a video a long time ago on Sold by Storm, and I was giving tips for new agents. And I told them in that video, Brandy, always put on nice socks because you're going to have to take your shoes off a lot. And I remember one time I was with some clients and I had a big old hole in my sock. My big toe was sticking out. And, what could I say? I was a new realtor. I hadn't got paid yet. So, I didn't have any good socks. All right, we're back upstairs. Go for it, Brandy. What you going to tell us about this space?
This space has so much to offer. Just family game nights up here. This would be your second living room hangout spot. And it's also centralized, so everybody can kind of meet here, and then after they're done, ready for bed, just go their separate ways.
It's beautiful. I love this space. Very warm. And of course, it's staged for you guys' model home. My clients are always asking, can they leave the furniture? Can they do this? Can I buy everything that's in there? I just want to move in. The answer is no.
No, I wish.
However, your personal broker, aka me, I do have connections with interior designers, and they'll be happy to help you.
Yes, I wish they would do my house.
Yes.
Maybe you can give me a connection.
Okay, all right. Where are we going next? We're going to go to the right?
To the right. That's the next spot right here. We do have a nice linen closet right here.
There's that linen closet.
One of them.
One of the many, I'm sure. And then we have your laundry room, which is really nice because the laundry room being upstairs, guys, you want it near where the bedrooms are. You don't want to have to take stuff up and down the steps. All right. And then here.
This bathroom is kind of private to this room or close to this room. It's another full bath. That's the benefit of this plan having 3.5 bathrooms.
I love this in the shower, the little shelves. Okay.
Shampoo shelves.
Yeah, little shampoo shelves, which, guys, look at me. I need shampoo shelves. All right. That's one thing that I don't worry too much about. Okay. And then this is going to be one of the secondary bedrooms. I love this big mirror. Okay. And then this is a nice closet. It's not a walk-in closet, but it's definitely a roomy closet. It's got good space in there.
Yes, this is like one of the smallest rooms in the plan. Okay. So we'll go up from here.
We're going up from here, guys. We're back in your little flex, little loft space. And
we'll save that one for last if you like.
Okay, yeah. Let's go over here. This is another secondary. So just so you guys can tell, there's the stairs. There's your loft. Here's your, do y'all call that a loft? Okay. And then this is another secondary. So there is a split floor plan, one of the bedrooms on one side and these on this side, which, is nice. Okay, here's that closet for maybe that teen that has a lot of stuff. But this is a walk-in closet here in this secondary room. Excellent. And it is so nice and peaceful out here in Gibsonville. As I was driving in, yeah, so here's another bedroom. Now, since they have doors on both sides, traditionally we would have called this like a Jack and Jill if it was another bedroom on the other side. However, in this one, it just gives you access for maybe your guest, maybe your children or something, have people up visiting for the day in the loft, and then they come over here to this bathroom. So, and it's got dual sinks. And
great for multiple kids.
And yeah, it's some cabinet space down here, so very nice. Then you go right into another bedroom. So here's another secondary bedroom. You do have carpet upstairs. Is that the only option, Brandy?
That is the carpet that goes in all of our homes.
Okay.
It's just a neutral, goes with everything carpet.
Another walk-in closet in this bedroom. Yeah, I could live here, no problem. Now we're going to go to the highlight of this floor. And that's going to be the primary bedroom.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's see. And I tell you, it's really spacious in here. Have the vaulted ceiling. Yes.
And all of our bedrooms do come with a second switch next to the light switch that operates a fan. There's ceiling fan pre-wires in all of our bedrooms.
See, so you have your little pre-wire fan outlet. Nice. And the fan would go right there. Okay. Yeah, it's very spacious. Like this bedroom, you could definitely have a sitting area like you could do right here. You could also have, like what we used to call like a prayer bench or a bench at the end of your bed, just to put your shoes on and all that kind of stuff. And then you could have like it set up on the other side of the room. On this, I mean, there's space to put like a small sofa right here. I mean,
absolutely,
got plenty of space. All right, somebody's dream bathroom is coming up. This has got your dual sinks. These countertops are quartz. It was a test, Brandy. Just checking to see if you knew. I knew she did though, because she's the mastermind around here. Her and her partner in crime, Linda.
Linda, yes, sir.
Yes. And the crime is the great deal that they're going to make with you when you come out. All right, here is your water closet. Oh, you gotta love a water closet. Me and Sweet Potato was in Las Vegas last year, and the suite we were staying in at the Wynn had a half bath when you first walk in the room, and then a full bath with a water closet in the main bathroom. And let's just say the food was, I was eating a lot of unusual foods in Vegas. I was eating very rich foods, and having that separate water closet, it was on time. All right, here is your linen closet for your primary bath. This is a walk-in linen closet. Look, guys, I'm in the linen closet. All right, and let's go. Oh, wow. Now this is, how many bedrooms is in this house?
This is 4.
4 bedrooms. And then this is your, we're going to call this your nursery.
Yeah, so, yeah. I've had people call it the doghouse as well.
It's a walk-in closet, very walk-in. I mean, I'm not kidding. Like you could probably put a little baby bassinet in here.
Absolutely.
Just so that it can be close to you because you're in the primary bedroom and you don't want to be far away from your child. I mean, you could definitely, this is like an Oprah Winfrey kind of situation where if you've ever seen her closet. All right, there you go.
I'm living that life right now with the bassinets.
Oh, yes, you are?
Absolutely.
How old is your baby?
6 months.
6 months. Congratulations.
Thank you.
To you and Mr. Brandy. All right, Brandy. So as we're walking back towards the front door, what else can you tell us?
So this floor plan is one of our largest. However, we do have another larger floor plan that is 5 bedrooms if you need 5 and 3-car garage. So that one's the largest we offer. Then we have another plan that is great for multi-generational living, and that has a primary on the main and the second floor with a big loft. And then we've got a ranch floor plan and another large one as well. So we've got floor plans for all kinds of square footage and styles of living.
Okay, well, we're all about having options. We like to have options. I know my buyers always do.
And if you don't like the inventory we currently have, you want to have a little more selection with what you're building and what home site it's going on. We have available home sites as well, where you can pick those and pick one of our plans that we're selling and build up from the ground.
So tell us a little bit maybe about this community. How many home sites are out here? What stage are you guys at? This is the Columbia that we're looking at today, this model here. But we do have another model, right?
Yes,
that we're going to check out. And that's a townhome. We'll look at that next, guys. So you'll have to go to the next video to see that one. That's going to be a separate video. But tell us about, the home sites, how many homes are out here, unless you've already said it, and I'm sorry.
You're fine. We haven't talked about that yet. So we've got about 75 single family home sites. So we've got plenty of dirt options as well if you want to pick your own home site. And then we've got about 141 townhomes as well with some extra parking, which is also great. And we really have a home for every stage of life out here. It's a great community close to downtown Gibsonville and peaceful. It's great. Peaceful, bigger home sites.
And they love real estate agents.
Yes.
So I did have that video that you'll be seeing here either at the beginning or the end of this video. But yeah, I just want to tell all of my buyer agent friends out there, come on by and see Brandy and Linda at Edinborough North. There's also a couple Edinboroughs around here.
Yes.
So across the road is...
That's the Edinborough Express series, already established part. They're still selling over there as well.
Okay.
And that is where the amenities are. Both of these communities are open to. They have a pool that will be open in May. Woo woo. And they also have a clubhouse with a fitness center as well. It's also a great community with amenities.
And what's the HOA out here?
HOA is $85 a month.
85 a month for a pool. That's not bad. I'm paying $99 for the YMCA. So, and it's got a pool. That's why I'm there.
Yeah.
All right. Well, Brandy, thank you so much for the tour of the Columbia. We're going to go to our next stop. So guys, don't go anywhere. Just press the next button and you'll get to see one of the beautiful Edinborough North townhomes. So is the townhomes called Edinborough North as well?
The Gables at Edinborough.
The Gables. Okay. So you remember that old show, The Green Gables? That's what I keep thinking about. Good job. All right, so let me turn this around to say, all right, guys, this is Michael K. Storm once again. Thank you so much for watching. Please press like and subscribe. And as always, as I always tell you guys, if you're coming to North Carolina, especially in the Piedmont Triad area, please look for Michael K. Storm because I'll be out where? In those real estate streets. Bye.